my gosh, you guys, this hair looks as if I went to the hair braiding shop and got my hair braided, but this is actually a wig, you guys. Like, I've never owned a braided wig that looks so realistic. Look at that. Like, the details of this wig, the quality, the sizing. The wig looks as if it's done right on my head. Like, it's so snugged. You know how sometimes when you have on a wig and it's kind of loose, but this one right here is just so snug. You can wear it all the way down, or you can put it on a bun. I decided to put it on a bun and I'm absolutely loving it. And this wig is from a company called Citioutluuk Beauty World, and they deal with all types and styles of braided wig, and they also have other products apart from wigs, you guys. And I decided to get this one for this video and I'm absolutely loving it. The name of this particular wig is called Imani and it looks so freaking beautiful. I can't even wait to share with you guys how I got it looking like this, but I absolutely love this wig. Look at this. Don't mind my bra straps. All right, you guys, so let's just go ahead and get started. Kilomiti. This braided wig company is by no doubt my favorite, you guys. Like, I've worked with a couple of braided wig companies and I must tell you guys, this particular company, like, their attention to details is top notch. The quality of their wig is crazy. Like, sometimes I'm like, is this done with a machine or it's braided with hand? Surprisingly, they are made 100% by hand. Like, look at the packaging. This is exactly how it came, and as you all can see, the name of the brand is perfectly written here, Citioutluuk Beauty World, and it has all their social media right on the package. So when you receive yours, it's going to come in this package, and all you need to do is just zip it down, and then you'll be able to get the wig. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this. So this is the wig, and look at the details. Like, look at that. And also, they added all these beautiful beads and, you know, beautiful designs on the wig, and it also has some of the beads right at the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install this wig. Normally I love to use my got to be glued free spray. I just like to spray it all over the perimeters of the hair. It depends on you. If you also like to spray at the back to make sure everything is locked in, you can go ahead and do it. I prefer my got to be glued spray when it comes to wigs and braids than the gel. I don't know, the gel is always hit or miss for me, but when it comes to the free spray, it works wonders every time. I almost forgot, you guys, the inside of the wig came with 2 clips by the side and also at the back, but I decided to remove the 2 clips by the side. So to make sure the scalp blends in with your skin tone, you want to go ahead and use your foundation brush. You definitely don't need to put in any foundation, because you know when you apply foundation, you always have, you know, some type of foundation on your foundation brush. I like to go in with my foundation brush and just brush it all on the scalp, and this will just help to tone it down and give it your natural skin color. This is kind of an easy way to tint your lace. This is just perfect. It's the right fitting. OMG. I'm going to leave all the specs of this wig like the size I got, because this right here is just the perfect size for the circumference of my hair. I'm going to leave all the details in my description box. I'm using just a very small scissors, and I will start from the side. I always like to make sure my pattern is right at the tip of my nose, so I have to move this just a little bit. Perfect. I'm going to get the baby hair out of the way and then go ahead and use my got to be glued spray. I'm going to tie it down and give it like 2 minutes to dry. This my tie is very dated, like I used it just today and you can already see like the mark of my foundation right there. So 2 minutes it's passed. I'm just gonna go ahead and untie it. Let's see if, yes, you see what I'm talking about. This free spray is just the best, you guys. Like if you're struggling to hold down your wig, just try the spray because it just gets the job done. For the baby hair, I'm gonna use my scissors to just cut it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it a little bit just to get the perfect baby hair. I like to twist the baby hair just a little bit. I'm going to go in with my got to be glued gel. This is the time I like to use the gel because that's the only thing that can properly hold the baby hair down. So for the back, I'm just going to go ahead and use, it comes with a clip. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there is a clip right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the clip and clip it down. It comes on the two sides. Once you go ahead and put the lock, it just locks the back end. You can use a scrunchie to hold this if you want, or you can leave it like that, but I think I'm gonna make a bun with this hair right here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Woo. Oh my gosh, you guys, like this looks so real that if you didn't start this video, you will think I braided my own hair. Yeah guys, I hope you all found this video helpful, and please don't forget to check out my description box for every info regarding this wig, and also please don't forget to hit the like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Okay, so with this baby hair, I decided to shorten it because it was looking kind of too much, you guys. This light is really making it look worse, but this is how it looks now.